What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the frame is narrower but the camera protrudes much more. iPhone 14 Pro compared with the iPhone 13 Pro live. The official premiere of the iPhone 14 smartphones will take place in September, and a comparison of the current iPhone 13 Pro and the promising iPhone 14 Pro has already been published on the network. And the comparison is live. Usually the production of new generation of iPhone starts in early summer. So theoretically these photos could be a serial iPhone 14 Pro, although it is more likely that this is a prototype or even a mock-up. Be that as it may, in terms of dimensions and layout it should not differ from the retail version. The photo clearly shows how different the front cameras and screen cutouts are in the current and future models. The screen bezel on the iPhone 14 Pro is also smaller. The main camera block in the iPhone 14 Pro is larger than the similar block in the iPhone 13 Pro, and the lenses protrude more out of the body. In the new lineup, only the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are expected to receive the Apple A16 SoC. Also, the Pro versions are credited with a 48 megapixel module in a block with an ultra wide-angle lens and support for 8K video recording. The notches in the iPhone 14 Pro screens are large, but the frame is narrow. I wonder if Apple will be able to set a new trend. Live photo of protective glass published. The specifications and dimensions of the iPhone 14 line of smartphones have long been approved, and it is already been put into production. In this regard, accessory manufacturers also receive data in advance for the release of covers. A well-known accessory manufacturer in China, Laobang Technology, has published a photo of protective glass for the iPhone 14 Pro, which shows very large holes for the front camera and additional sensors. In the first renders, the exclamation mark cutouts were much smaller. Then there was information that the dimensions of the cutout would be larger. As a result, the rumors were confirmed. The source admits that the holes in the protective glass may be larger than the corresponding cutouts in the smartphone screen. This will avoid problems when sticking glass with a slight offset. However, the difference is unlikely to be significant. Apple is expected to hold its fall new product launch conference on September 13. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.